Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix where winds meet gamepad or controller not working issue on PC. So the very first method is to restart your PC. Once for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now after that, expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to disable or enable a Steam input. For that, go to the Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller. Here you have to select enable Steam input first and then check if it's working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. So if it resolves, well and good. If it doesn't resolve, move to the next solution. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working or not. So you will get an update option available here. You simply need to click on update and then check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates option. Now here you have to click on check for updates and it will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Apart from this, some other troubleshooting tips to follow is clear cache on Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on downloads, go below, and here you will have to click on clear cache to clear the cache on Steam. After that, log into Steam and then check if the controller is working or not. If you are using wired plug for controller, then unplug and replug it. And also says to use big picture mode for where winds meet game. So you have to go to Steam, click on big picture mode and then try to play the game. If it's working well and good, exit big picture mode and then check if everything is working fine. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.